What do you think this symbol conveys? Let's take a different perspective. What is I? I means idea. In a time when changes are inevitable in how we live our lives, as conventional energy faces increasing challenges, how should we redefine energy itself? How should we optimize existing energy resources? How should we explore new ones? Shanghai Electric Power Generation Group has found the answer. I means imagination. Explore the unknown, discover the uncharted, and decipher the codes of nature. Throughout its decades of growth, Shanghai Electric Power Generation Group has been relentless in pursuing innovation. With a total installed capacity of over 300 gigawatt, we have become a world-leading supplier of thermal power equipment. We deliver units with unparalleled performance in high efficiency and low emission. We constantly break the world's records of generating efficiency. We bring the conventional energy industry back to life again. After acquiring Ansaldo Energia, a leading Italian gas turbine manufacturer, and subsequently developing 2 manufacturing bases in China and Italy, we managed to establish a complete gas turbine industry chain to design, manufacture, integrate, market, and service. In 2018, key models of our gas turbines made their debut successively in China, supported by a wide range of services covering maintenance and long-term service agreements. This further highlights our ability to supply a full range of leading gas turbines worldwide. The dream of gas turbines made in China going global came true. Our technologies for designing and manufacturing nuclear conventional island have evolved from the 2nd to the 4th generation. Our nuclear products are present in virtually every operating nuclear plant in China. Equipped with cutting-edge CSP and solar PV technologies, we were tasked with creating the world's largest solar power plant that is widely expected to become the Mount Everest of the industry upon completion. We upgrade industrial equipment to meet the ever-changing market demands. We provide the best drive for all businesses with our industrial turbines. We develop 2 mainstream seawater desalination technologies in the realms of infrastructure, electric power, chemicals, and steel. We win reputations and markets for large and medium-sized motors with excellence and diversity. Coal mills, blowers, compressors, and coal chemical equipment play an equally important role in a series of keynote national projects. Make the most of energy to the best of our ability. With technological innovation, we create more possibilities for the future. I means intelligent. We give energy intelligence. Efforts in distributed energy and energy storage technologies yielded positive results as a smart microgrid project we created for Shanxing Town, Zhongming, proved to be a successful integration of wind, solar, storage, charge. A green, stable, interconnected, and smart system is in place to offer infinite possibilities for energy production and consumption. We give plants intelligence. We aim to develop valued products using digital design, informatization management, and smart manufacturing to lay the foundation for an intelligent plant management system that will contribute to an overall improvement in product performance and manufacturing expertise. Wisdom and intelligence. This is the key that opens the door to the future. I means international. We are rooted in China, but we are going global. Awarded nearly 100 projects covering a variety of flexible business models, both at home and abroad, we boast a total installed capacity of over 92 gigawatts. From design, manufacturing and construction to investment and operation, we meet ever-changing market demands as we light homes and hopes in more parts of the world. We are committed to the safe operation of units based on a full life cycle service mode with an array of after-sale solutions, including service contractor, maintenance and overhaul, capacity expansion, efficiency improvement, and green retrofit. We provide the customer with real-time protection by utilizing the digitalized platform, remote diagnosis, that connects the virtual and the reality. We help customers discover extended potential with big data. We connect the future with innovation. We embrace the world with sharing. I is me. I am innovation. I am sharing. I am every one of you. I change because of you. Our hearts are always connected. Shanghai Electric Power Generation Group creates a new energy future.